Hello everyone and welcome back to ArxangelRC. Today I have a quick update on the FTC Hunter's FPV version. First, I did test the endurance of the plane with the battery I have chosen for it, and I was very pleasantly surprised when it was still going strong after 20 minutes of powered flight. I did have some fun with it, and I also think the camera is slowly drying out after the snow landing, so probably will not replace it at this time unless I decide I want a better quality image. After catching it like a pro on the landing, I charged up the battery and guess what? The Hunter had consumed 755 mAh out of the 1000 mAh 3S battery, and that is in 21 to 22 minutes of flight time, where the throttle was enough to climb a bit. Really good efficiency. For the next flight I decided I needed some HD footage on board, so I literally Velcro mounted my RunCam 2 on top of the battery, but more on that in just a bit. On another day I got a chance to do a small range test of the new video antenna position, and I was able to make it out to around 350 meters without too much issue, and that is with the stock 100 milliwatt video transmitter in a very RF polluted area in the city, so I would say my VTX antenna reallocation has proven to be a success. This wing might actually have some decent potential with a few mods I am considering doing. And now the promised HD footage from the RunCam 2 mounted on top of the battery, which did affect the plane a bit. I could tell it was feeling the weight, but it handled it like a champ and was still able to do some tricks, although verticals really were a thing of the past now. Anyway, enjoy, like, share, subscribe, and until next time.
Thank you.